Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in eco-friendly lawn care. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the EcoFlow Blade Mower, a game-changer in sustainable lawn maintenance. The EcoFlow Blade Mower is not your ordinary lawn mower. It's a powerful, eco-conscious tool designed to make your lawn care routine more efficient and environmentally friendly. In this video, we'll delve into the key features and benefits of the EcoFlow Blade Mower. Cordless convenience. One of the standout features of the EcoFlow Blade Mower is its cordless design. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and extension cables. With a long-lasting battery, you can freely roam your yard, reaching all corners without limitations. Quiet operation. Traditional gas-powered mowers can be noisy and disruptive. The EcoFlow Blade Mower, on the other hand, operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful atmosphere in your neighborhood while you mow your lawn. Powerful performance. Don't be fooled by its quiet operation. This mower packs a punch. It's equipped with a robust motor that effortlessly tackles both tall and dense grass, leaving your lawn looking immaculate. Adjustable height. The EcoFlow Blade Mower offers multiple height adjustments. Customize the cutting height to achieve your desired grass length, whether you prefer a well-manicured lawn or a slightly longer, natural look. Environmentally friendly. This mower is designed with the environment in mind. It's emissions-free, meaning it produces no harmful pollutants. Plus, the cordless operation reduces your carbon footprint. Lightweight and maneuverable. The mower's lightweight design and easy maneuverability make it a breeze to navigate around obstacles and corners in your yard. Mowing becomes a more enjoyable and less strenuous task. In conclusion, the EcoFlow Blade Mower is a fantastic addition to your lawn care arsenal. Its cordless, eco-friendly design, powerful performance, and quiet operation make it a top choice for homeowners who care about their lawns and the environment. Make the switch to the EcoFlow Blade Mower and experience the future of lawn care. To learn more and get your own EcoFlow Blade Mower, click the link below. Thank you for joining us in this introduction to the EcoFlow Blade Mower. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for more eco-friendly innovations in lawn care on our channel. Your lawn and the planet will thank you.